Hi guys, going through my workroom junk pile, found another one of my old radio control conversion jobs, either 2019 or 2020, I think. I think it was originally friction or flywheel powered motor in there. I notice I've got batteries in there for LEDs for the lighting. That's interesting. Down here we have 3D printed battery box, gearbox, everything held in place with hot glue. I did just notice that the steering actually came loose. The hot glue's actually given way. But that's radio controlled servo, ESC. We need to put a receiver on there. So I think I'll pinch the one off here because I've done what I wanted to do with this one. And this is only held in place with rubber bands, which is convenient. So that one will do. Right, receiver in place. ESC switched on. Pretty lights. Steering. Oh, hang on. Something going wrong there. I'm sure I saw some smoke. No, I've got no steering. I wonder what happened there. Well, that is a bit frustrating. It does look like that servo was locked up. Yeah, I can hear it vibrating. I can push it over to one side. Yeah, and then it locks up. Oh, this is frustrating. I was hoping to have a little car to run round just for a bit of fun. We're all right with the throttle and the gearbox. But that servo's died. I can't believe that. Yeah, you can't hear it, but I can feel it vibrating away there. It just won't move. Whereas if I whip that out of there and plug that one in, yeah, it is. It's that servo's died. Oh, rude words. Well, that all got rather silly. Yeah, I've changed the servo, but somehow I've actually dropped the screw that goes in the end of the servo arm there for the one that's in there, because it's different to this one. So at the moment it's just held on by friction. I'm going to have to search the floor in a minute, see if I can find where it's gone. So it might drop off. The steering is not very tight either. Sorry about that. Yeah, I can't do a full circuit in here with that steering. Probably have to change the steering arm a little bit. but it just doesn't seem to turn very tightly. Other than that, we have a Ferrari, a working Ferrari. Yeah, I can't do a full 180-degree turn in the space available. That's full lock. Oh, just. Maybe not. Can do it if I spin the wheels. Yeah. I might have to have another look at this. See if I can sort that steering out. It may just be that I've made the servo arm too short. Can't go much more than that. Otherwise we'll be fouling the bodywork. I mean, you can see what I've done here. This is the steering off of another radio controlled car that I've just hacked into the bottom of this one, so we can actually get the steering in there. But it's hasn't got a lot of space. Oh, I should be able to get it to turn more than that. A bit more. Anyway, yeah, we'll give that a run outside sometime, just so we can have a bit of fun with it. And if I can find the original videos, I'll put them in the video description. I expect I've got a playlist for it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.